So I'm wearing a dress. It's around 0 degrees. And why? So there's snow falling outside. This is the 1st of April, which feels like an April's joke, but it's actually real. I decided I'm gonna do the thing that I've had in my mind for quite some while. It is me standing in a field surrounded by white flower petals on the orchard trees and in a colorful spring dress. Now it's a stupid idea because it's very cold. So that's the idea. People are staring at me because I'm wearing a dress, but they might actually be more staring at me because of an umbrella. Alright, over there is the camera, and I'm here, freezing. It's snowing into my dress. One detail I'm concerned about, which I don't think is really an issue, is will people see my jeans? Can I hide it without looking like I'm crouching? I don't know. I'm being filmed. I should focus on that. Also, shooting some nice B-roll is always smart. You don't know if you need filler content. I like to have just a few of the blossoms in focus. You know, like here and here. And the rest is a bit blurry, which gives it depth. It also looks very dreamy, don't you think? This is what I see, and this is what the camera sees. Those are the times I wish I had an assistant. Can't even dress myself. I should have gotten rid of the snow in my dress first. Damn it. You know, a lot of people do not appreciate the effort that goes into making content. So I'm showing you all of the ugly behind the scenes. Even filming behind the scenes is tricky if you do it by yourself and if you only have one tripod, one camera, one phone. How are you going to document it from all angles? You have to set it up so you can talk to the camera. You have to change the angle so it looks more interesting. You have to still have everything in your head. Did you shoot everything you needed? Because you don't want to do this again, because, you know, it's enough. Here's a little secret. While I'm watching this back, I'm actually kind of making up the story in my head. Where's the other glove? Cool, need to find the glove.